What is StarFire? Navcom's StarFire network is a global satellite-based augmentation system, a precise point positioning service with users around the world. It is available virtually anywhere on the Earth's surface, on land or sea, and provides real-time accuracy, typically better than 5 centimeters.
With the StarFire network, the signals come from space, so you don't need an actual base station at all to work. So with just a simple rover, you can get incredible accuracy. So you save on hardware cost and you save on time.
We monitor the StarFire signal. We monitor the reference stations, the links from the reference stations to the processing center, to the uplink stations, and then also from the Inmarsat satellites down to the customer. So we monitor the StarFire correction 24 hours a day, 7 days a week.
The StarFire network currently uses the GPS and GLONASS navigation satellite systems, L-band communication satellites, and a global network of reference stations to deliver real-time precise positioning.
With the redundancy that we have on our system, if there's any one component that fails, there's less than a 0.5% chance that the system is going to go out of service.
What it means is that you don't have a single point of failure. So for every anticipated mechanical or software potential failure, there is always a fallback at any single point in time.
How accurate can you get? To achieve 5 centimeter accuracy, StarFire utilizes a network of GNSS reference stations around the globe to compute GNSS satellite orbit and clock corrections.
Well, the spatial decorrelation problems that you have with RTK are essentially eliminated by using StarFire, because we're making the corrections at the satellite level as opposed to at the terrestrial level.
A customer is not tied to a base station. Of all the places I've traveled and the customers that I've talked to, it's important for them to be able to achieve a certain level of accuracy when they have a job that's, quite frankly, in the middle of nowhere.
When they're completely away from reference sites, StarFire does allow them to get better accuracy in areas where before they only had standalone GPS. The other one is in those environments where you did have radio coverage, and then all of a sudden you move outside of that coverage area. StarFire allows you to operate up to 15 minutes, bridging the gap using StarFire correctors and maintaining the same level of accuracy.
Our partners use the StarFire correction in mining, construction, offshore applications, and then we also have customers that use the correction signal to achieve better accuracy for land survey.
Military and government customers use the StarFire network on a variety of autonomous as well as manned vehicles. For example, the Husky mine detection vehicle uses the StarFire network to identify the locations of landmines and allow another unit to come in and safely remove them before any damage can be done to the team.
Over the last few years, we've introduced things like StarFire over IP, rapid recovery, RTK extend, and those are all features that are RTK based and then taken into a StarFire environment.
They're able to finish jobs quicker by eliminating going out and resetting up base stations, and they're able to work in some places where they were never able to reach in tougher environments.
So how reliable is the StarFire network?
The service has 99.999% uptime, and this translates into the service always being available for your needs.
We will take direct feedback from customers, analyze the data that they provide us to make sure that our system is operating to the best that we're able to. Any problems that we identify in the customer's data, we'll go back and we'll try to resolve in our software.
Having offered the service for about 15 years, there's a certain level of expertise and knowledge that we have as a team, and that really gives us the ability to make sure that the StarFire network is running and that our customers can count on us to be there and to make sure that the signal is available.
The StarFire network began in 1999. How has it improved since then?
We've continually focused on improving the resilience of the StarFire network, increasing accuracy, adding additional constellation support. We've also added features such as RTK Extend, Rapid Recovery, Quick Starts, StarFire over IP. All of these features and the StarFire network improvements help to improve and expand the operational environments that our users can be productive in.
As the first commercial offering of a service of this type, an uptime of 99.999%, and over 15 years of delivery and continuous improvement experience, customers can be confident of the global availability and accuracy of the StarFire network. Visit our website, navcomtech.com/StarFire for more information.